Welcome. If you want to turn off noise cancelling of your Huawei FreeBuds Pro, at the first you have to go for the AI Live application, then move to the Huawei FreeBuds Pro and then open charging case. We have to wait on the connection. It will happen a few times, so just wait. After that, I think it's fine. So as you can see, here we got the noise control panel, so we can turn it on by tapping here, we can turn it off by go here, and we can go for the awareness by choosing this option, and we can also go for the enhanced voices. So as you can see, that's how we can adjust noise control on the Huawei FreeBuds Pro. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!